गोयात मायनिंग बंद जाल्ले खातीर आर्थीक संकश्टात सांपडिल्ल्या फामिलीची सुदारणा करपा खातीर खास उपाय येवजण करची अशी मागणी राज्यसभेचो खासदार सदानंद शेट तानावडेन केल्या। तांणी राज्यसभेत शून्य प्रहारा वेळार हो मुद्दो उपस्थित केलो। 2012 उपरांत गोयात मायनिंग बंद जाले उपरांत ह्या व्यवसायाचेर निंबून आशिल्ल्या हजारांनी फामिलीचो रोजगार आनी उत्पन्नाचो स्त्रोत बंद जालो। ट्रक, ट्रिपर, बार्ज मायनिंगे खातीर वापरिल्ली यंत्रणा रीण काडून घेतिल्ली। मायनिंग बंद जाल्ले खातीर तांच्या आर्थीक ताण आयिल्ल्याचे तानावडेन राज्यसभेच्या सभाघराच्या नदरेक हाडले।
सदानंद मंगळू शेठ धनवडे जी।
Thank you, Chairman sir. My subject is urgent measures to restore the financial and credit standing of mining affected families in Goa. I rise to draw the attention of this august house to the continuing hardship faced by thousands of mining affected families in Goa whose credit worthiness remains adversely affected despite having settled their bank loans. Following the suspension of mining operation in Goa in 2012, the state level witnessed the unprecedented economic crisis.
You are shouting for
Nearly
he is speaking up, you are
25,000
shouting.
people
What is the use of it?
directly dependent on mining, along with thousands engaged in transportation and allied activities, lost their livelihoods. Many had taken bank loans to purchase trucks, tippers, barges, mining machinery, and other equipment. With mining coming to a standstill, they lost their only source of income and were unable to repay their loans. Their defaults were not willful, but were the direct result of circumstances beyond their control. Recognizing the severity of the crisis, the government of Goa introduced several relief measures, including financial assistance and a government-supported one-time settlement scheme. As a result, many affected borrowers were able to settle their loan accounts. Although many loan accounts have since been settled, the delay in repayment during the mining closure continues to adversely affect the borrowers' credit history and credit scores. Consequently, they are unable to obtain fresh institutional finance to purchase vehicles, machinery, or start new businesses, making it difficult for them to rebuild their livelihoods. Chairman sir, these borrowers cannot be equated with willful or habitual defaulters. Their financial distress arose solely because of the sudden closure of mining operation, a situation that was itself recognized by the Goa government while extending their relief and implementing the OTA scheme. I therefore urge the government to introduce a one-time mechanism to restore the financial credit worthiness and credit standing mining affected borrowers whose loan defaults arose solely due to the 2012 mining ban in Goa and who have since repaid or settled their loan accounts. Such a measures will provide long-awaited justice to thousands of mining affected families, restore their access to institutional credit and help them rebuild their livelihoods with dignity. Thank you, sir.